Hey guys, so today, I'm making a video.
I'm excited.
I'm getting ready to go to the Atlantic Balloon Festival.
Yeah.
It's happening in Sussex. Say hello.
Hello.
And I'm just still prepping, even though I'm already late. It's like 2 hours already. So get ready. Let's go. Hey guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
So
I'm coming to say hi.
you can say hi.
Hi.
So I'm heading to
Hi guys.
Sussex, New Brunswick. I'm going for the Atlantic Balloon Festival.
We're going.
There are a couple of activities happening there, and I'm just getting ready to leave. It's a road trip, so let's go.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
5 years of madness. Shay! What? Okay. Apples. Yeah, let's go.
Then, yeah, that's up.
Somebody's crying bolo. Somebody's crying bolo.
tí 80% ẹ̀dá láyé tí wọ́n bá ti fẹ́ràn mi èmi ti fi 20% tó kù sílẹ̀ fún wọn. Ike ni mú plastic. Ẹni tó bá kà ṣe bí òun ló nìkanra iṣẹ́ táwọn gbà nìyẹn kémi ṣá máa tẹ̀síwájú o.
Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed.
Thank you.
Hello. Hey guys, so we're currently on the way to Sussex, New Brunswick on a road trip. We're going for the Atlantic Balloon Festival. So we're just about 10 minutes into the trip. It's about a 1 hour trip. So see you
Cheers.
in Sussex. Cheerio.
Sussex.
Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody feels like no one cares.
are actually a lot of people here, and it's amazing that you don't know this way. It's like a once in a year. Of course, it's a once in a year thing. Of course, food is always the most important part of any trip. I had to grab some snack or food or whatever.
There we go. Everything is safe. I guess it's okay like this. Let's go. There we go. Maybe curly fries.
Can we meet you?
Yes. My name is Theo from Dieppe, from the 𝒊𝒏𝒆𝒓 Dieppe.
𝒊𝒏𝒆𝒓
On the right.
You let me hold on to it well. Stand up. Hold it well. You let me hold it well. Hold it well. Oh, yeah, room back for you. Hold it well, hold it well. I don't like market. See, that means stand up, stand up, stand up. Tell her to stand. Stand well. Stand well. Hold it well. Hold it well, hold it well. Actually, I'm still inside out. Okay, it's almost over. Oh my Lord. Yeah. I was scared for So we're still here, and it's been about 2 hours, and it's been fun, interesting. The highlight of the day will be the balloon flight. That's still in about maybe 3 hours. So in the meantime, you see the chill, going on rides, eating.
Alright, that's it, that run again, as it is a fundraiser, so much appreciated. You all did wonderful.
We are going to start calling our passengers, so please, anybody that's a paid, make sure you have your $300 in your hand. And we have to make sure, everybody, that you have closed-toed shoes. In other words, no sandals, please, for safety reasons. So in a couple minutes, we will be calling names. So we're going to ask that you proceed to the Superstore tents, leave the opening open, and we'll be calling in no apparent order, but wait for your name. They're going to be starting.
They say may you wait for your name, they will call you, enter flights when they come.
Few inches later.
What is happening now? You're starting to see activity on the field. Why is that, Alana? So our pilots, our balloon meister, our weather guy, not meteorologist, have come out of their briefing, and they're out here on the field. We're starting to see some baskets come out of trailers. We are going to have a pie ball at 5:30, so here in just a few minutes we're going to have a little tiny helium balloon go up in the sky so the pilots can have a look at the wind direction, the speed, all of that good stuff, and give us a little bit more information. And hopefully our meister will open the field and our balloons will hopefully be going up soon.
That it takes in total to run this Atlantic Balloon Fiesta. So a big round of applause to that huge group. And these folks are so dedicated, they often take a week off on their regular job for vacation to spend their time this week to make this happen for you. So let's give them a great round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you, Robert.
Okay, so you are seeing what are called the pie balls. This helps the pilot understand how quickly their balloons will be going into the air. As well, it allows them to realize what direction, at what level the wind will change, and maybe they'd go in a different direction. And the other thing is, at certain levels, the wind is stronger. So they're trying to realize all of this to help them determine their safest flight. We will keep you posted. English means our boss of these beautiful balloons. What's happening, Derek?
Well, the pilots and I had a little confab out in the middle of the field, and we are of the general opinion that we can fly, so the field is open.
Now get to work. Atlantic Balloon Fiesta. We are out on the field. We can hear a cold air fan starting to inflate a balloon. And what are they doing right now, Jill? What are they doing over with the City Auto balloon?
Well, they're putting cold air from the fan inside the envelope to try to make it as much round as possible. Once that operation is completed, then they will throw some hot air in it to make it right.
Awesome. So, oh, I hear another fan. This is exciting, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's still exciting after been doing this for 30 years.
Absolutely. I never get tired of it. Okay, so we are going to see what balloon is going to go up into the air first. So let's keep our eyes open and start shouting when you see one that's going to be flying. Have you guys ever realized how big a hot air balloon is? You're going to see exactly how big in a couple Some of them can be as high as a 4-story. We have some here that are maybe 2.5, but there are larger as well. Some of you were asking how many people can fit in a basket of a hot air balloon. It depends on the size of the balloon. The larger the balloon, the more passengers it can take. And so what that means is we always have to count the pilot, because the pilot has weight as well. Now, depending on the size of the balloon, some balloons could take up to 12 people. The most we take here is 7. Starts to inflate at the end of the field. I think everybody wants to see her. She's the cutest elephant you have ever met. Again, for those of you just coming to the field, the flight is a go. The balloons are starting to inflate on the field, and you can see they're starting to get the cold air into the balloons. A couple are close to putting the heat in. Those burners are very, very hot. They burn a lot of hot dogs if you want to eat something. There's a few. How many we have here from Sussex? Okay, 2 more people. How many do we have from Nova Scotia? Any from New Brunswick? There we go. How many are from New Brunswick? Awesome! We're glad to have you out here tonight. This is spectacular. We had a few pilots leave this morning. The tropical weather going into the States, some of our U.S. pilots had to leave, unfortunately, but those that are here tonight are here to give you a spectacular view. Hopefully you got your cameras, your phones out, get some pictures. Marquez, the blue, white, gray, black, and teal, turquoise. And I see movement on City Auto. He is away. Big round of applause, local village. That's away. hiding right now, but soon she's gonna fly for us. Okay, along the fence you can see the propane burner throwing the heat into the envelope. It's standing it up. They have somebody on the guideline. It's usually one of the crew members, and they try to keep it straight. Trust me, that is a tough job. In a few minutes, he'll get the sign to walk it in. Okay, come on, let's get going. We want to see this. You are. See if you can turn, Kingsley. We'd like to see the elephant. Okay, he's trying. He's trying. Look at that. Miss Birdie's sitting there pretty. Oh, I think they're pretty good friends. What do you think, Kim? I'd say so. Yeah, they hang out a lot, I think.
I'm excited. I want to go fly, but I'm waiting for your order to go.
Not mine. I see the gentleman over there with the nice orange wand. I think he's waiting to give you directions.
She's the boss?
Yeah, most women are.
So I have to ask her politely?
Yeah.
Karen, can I go?
Yes. He's all by himself.
he's going up. Miss Birdie finally got herself turned around. She's looking back at all of us here. Oh, she's thinking those lucky people get to see these hot air balloons. For those of you that have traveled a few miles to be here this evening, it was a fantastic flight this morning, and we got another one in the air. Have a good flight, 𝑻𝒊𝒎𝒊𝒏𝒆𝒓. Andrew has the black, green, blue, and red balloon on the end of the field. Warrior! Great big round of applause. Bree Johnson. To the beautiful blue sky. Okay, who can help me? Now, I might not be able to see the balloon off in the corner. So everybody down at the end of the field, please holler and scream and yell as soon as you see the next balloon going up, because I might not see it. Oh, look at this. They're just standing here for us. I love it. Kim thinks that our little squirrel here, chipmunk, excuse me, needs to go to the dentist. His teeth are getting a little dirty looking. We need to get them whitened. Oh, I hear you. A little louder over there. I hear you. Johann Brad.
Another place they are landing. Like that one now, they are probably landing somewhere else. That one, see that gray one?
Yeah, the gray one's not going very high.
Daryl Young
and the elephant
from Maine. Have a great flight. Yellow, white, and green balloon. And over here, sneaking into the sky. Oh, you're sneaky over here. It's the birthday boy. It's Kenny Blackburn. Pretty blues and white. Second year with us. Okay. Oh. Are you gonna fly? What are you doing, Dave? You flying! Great big cheer for Dave! Another local pilot. These young whippers grew up chasing and crewing balloons. It's in their blood, isn't it, Dave? Yeah, we know. Love ya. Big round of applause for Dave if he's coming over the other side of the field. Now, we have one lone balloon on the corner of the field. What are we going to do about this? I think we have to start getting him some encouragement to fly. Phil, oh, he can't hear me when he's burning. He's trying to make the balloon hot. He's putting the heat into the envelope. It's getting light. You can see the basket moving a little bit. Guys, he's flying! All right, guys and gals, we'd like to thank everybody for coming to the 36th Atlantic Balloon Fiesta here in Sussex, New Brunswick. Always the weekend after the long weekend. Thank you for coming out today. It's been a great weekend weather-wise, even though the weather people were trying to be really, really mean to us. Anyway, look at the way those balloons are up there, just hovering. There's no better feeling than being in a hot air balloon. It's exhilarating. You come off and you're just on a high. It's amazing. So those of you that have never flown, but you're afraid of heights, it's not the same thing. And did you know that you can actually see the Bay of Fundy at about 3,500 feet? Do you see the balloon up kind of off by itself? It's got the yellow band and it's got the strips below and above it. It's probably at about 2,500 feet right now. They may be able to see the Bay of Fundy. It's just amazing, and there is no sense
the balloons just took their flights. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 17 of them. And it's been really amazing. First time experience. It's been amazing, and we're still live in Sussex, and yeah, still enjoying the flight and the food and every other.
Lots of people have been asking if we have a Facebook page. We certainly do. And we post
everybody's here
periodically.
Everybody's around.
So feel free to keep updated on
actually a very pretty, amazing experience. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, drop a comment, and see you on the next vlog. Bye bye.